Hey, it's Mark A Squared. I got an American 1100 lock here. Got the key. Let me unlock that and lock it back up, and then get myself situated here. And I will take 8 seconds. Okay, that works. Let me get this timer out of the way. Just the trigger there so I can have a little room to do what I need to do here. So, it's picked. Alright, it's picked. I got my screwdriver. Got this going. And I will make a mother turn or two there. There we go. I will turn it this way, and I will take that out. Now I'll just set that right there for now. Take this, and I guess I'll set that right there. Let's see, I'll take this and I'll get that out of the way as well. I've got a well-loved and greasy core, that's for darn sure. I've done a lot of picking on this particular lock. Look at how chewed up that top of the keyway is there. Alright, but let's see here. I've got my thing for getting that off. And let's see, I'll put that down there. And get my pick out of the way, get my turner out of the way. I have a shim in here because there's a little lip at the back of this lock right there that, if I'm not careful, all the pins will drop down as I'm doing this and will block the way. But I'll get this shim into place. Didn't mean to push that as far as it did. It's coming out the front. That's good. Okay. Now I'll take my little follower here. It doesn't quite match up. I hate that. There we go. And we'll... Always feels like such a complicated process. It really shouldn't be. There we go. And the key pins are on top. And I'll just put that all the way through so that it's out of, not fall out. I'll take the key. There's my pins. Okay, so first pin. Let's see here. I've got spring key pin, or spring driver pin key pin. So I'll come back to the driver pins. Let's see if I give that a little bit of a bump. Can I get it to come out? Yep, there we go. I will get a little better zoom down later. Let's see, a real short one there. Two, for Pete's sake. There we go. 3, 4. And there we go. And 5. Okay, so that are the key pins. Alright, yeah, and we got, like I'm saying, I've been picking on this for, well, 6 months or so with this particular lock to get that kind of, and I can get it faster, but for whatever reason I've got nerves. But I'll just leave that right there. Okay, cool. And now let's see, the front of the thing is here. We'll pull this through. Get it out of the way. It has served its purpose. And let's see. Yeah, normally I do it the other way around, and I've got this. So you know what, I'm going to do the 5 pin first because it's back here. And I've got this back here. So let's see. I've got cotton down the tube because otherwise when I do this, sometimes I tend to lose them. Yep, that's serrated. Now, I I'll get the thing later, spring later. I heard it pop out. I thought I heard it pop. Yeah, I see it. It's in there. It's stuck on the cotton. There we go. Spool on 4, serrated spool on 4. I'll go back the other way because I'm having a hard time showing it. There we go. First one is a spool. Spool. Oh, and it's shot over there. I'm just going to stand up and move around to the other side here and grab that and lay that right there. And let's see, I will pull this through and just kind of tap those to get them out. We've got doesn't want to go. There we go. Got a little twisty bit. There we go. Come on, you bad dogs. There we go. And there. And I'll hold that up to the camera. Show what I've got there. Which is a dissected American 1100. This plus the video of me putting it together ought to get me my Greenbelt. I would have liked a higher number on that, but I'll take 8 seconds or so for the leaderboard. And yeah, I've fallen in love with the American 1100. I have some of my other artifacts here from, and I forgot to put his sticker out here. Other fellow picker folks that do this kind of thing. In any case, I'll put it back together off camera because I've already put a different one together for the Greenbelt. Yeah, I love American 1100s, and that is Mark A squared, and that's going to be about it. Out.